Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn off Apple Music EQ settings on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, scroll down and tap on Music. Next, we go down and tap on EQ. And then from the list here, you want to go to the top and tap on Off. Once Off is selected, tap on the back key to go back to Settings, and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now that EQ has been switched off, if you play your Apple Music, the sound will be going back to the standard audio quality. And if whenever you want to switch your EQ settings to say pop or flat, you can always go back into settings and then change that settings in there. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.